So you want to stop receiving scam Gmails into your accounts. If you feel like spam is getting smaller, it's because it is. So nowadays, Gmail has some new weapons to fight back. So Google just rolled out the RETBX system and stricter to demark rules that reject junk before it even hits your folder. So we can use the managed subscription hub. New into the 2026, Gmail has a dedicated subscription manager. You don't have to hunt through emails anymore. As you can see, we have now the Gmail section that have the primary, promotions, social, and updates. Basically, updates, social, and promotions are usually spam, or junk. So this shows you every company currently in your promotions tab. One click here unsubscribes you globally across all the list. Thanks to the new laws, every legitimate sender must have a one-click button at the top of the email. If they don't, Gmail flags them as high risk automatically. For example, we have the Julia at length. If you scroll all your way down, you should see that we have this little button that says unsubscribed. The most let's say the manual way to do this is to just click into, let's say for example, link, scroll all my way down and hit into the option that says unsubscribe. When you hit into unsubscribe, this automatically will be stopped sending you emails for this specific element. In this case, we have now this huge element that says unsubscribe. If you hit into unsubscribe, you usually are inside now out of the unsubscribed from this specific element, right? Now we can train the AI, because there's a difference between I don't want this and this is a scam. You can report spam, sends the data to Google AI to help protect everyone else. So just use the block for persistent individuals. So those emails will never even reach your spam folder. They are deleted at the server level. If you see this yellow banner saying Gmail couldn't scan this, don't click any links. This means the sender is failing modern security checks like the DMARC. So what I needed to do is to make sure that when I clicked into this element that I no longer wanted to see, instead of just clicking into it, just go directly inside here, and you can of course try to mark them and delete it. So let's say for example delete, and directly here, for example, if I have my spam element, what I can do is to select this and go for more and try to label this as a spam, and I'm going to be filtering them all, and I'm going to be sending and delete my spam right away. Something else that I can do is to manage my own subscriptions. Basically, spam elements will be, let's say, leveling up their shields by telling you that you make the actual own subscription of their actual account. So if you wanted to change that element, what I needed to do is to make sure that directly here into my Gmail, into the left section, what I needed to do first of all is to focus directly into more and go for managed subscriptions. Into managed subscriptions, you can see that we have a lot, but truly a lot of elements that we were subscribed to. The reality is that we didn't subscribe to almost anyone. So what I needed to do is to select the element, hit for unsubscribe, and just like that, I will no longer receive subscription for this account. So just hit for unsubscribe, unsubscribe, and unsubscribe. They might be taking a few times, but trust me, into the future you will no longer receive these kinds of element. And lastly, what you can do is to stop giving your real emails to every website. Use the plus trick. For example, if you're signing up for a site with a name site at gmail.com and start getting a spam to that specific address, you know exactly who sold your data. You can then create a filter to delete the entire alias. So the conclusion here would be that your inbox is now a AI powered fortress. Spend 5 minutes a month into the subscription manager to keep it that way, and I can assure you that you will no longer receive tons of subscriptions in there. You can see that here, to stop getting messages, almost all of them have more shields to tell you that you needed to go directly to their website in order to start receiving that element. So either what you can do is to click into go into their website and look out for the option that says notifications and delete those notifications, or what you can do is that directly inside here just mark them as spam, and you will no longer see that. So hopefully guys, was a very useful information for you. Hit it to block instead. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching, and well, hopefully with all of this being said, we can all see you next time.